Hi guys, in this video today I'll be showing you how to get information about your PC using command prompt. So you should launch command prompt as administrator. There we go. You type wmic BIOS get serial number. Serial number is one word. Hit enter. There you go. We got it. Guys, we're there. So I've gotten the serial number of this PC. So this is the command here. This is the serial number down here. And so we can proceed. If you want to know about the manufacturer, the motherboard of the memory chip, so you type WMIC, you type baseboard, which stands for motherboard, WMIC baseboard get manufacturer, there you go, hit enter. The manufacturer of my motherboard is Toshiba. This is the manufacturer, and this is the command you type in. So if you want to get information about your memory chip, or let's say you need the information about the motherboard, the complete information, so you type WMIC baseboard, there you go. This is a list of all the things about motherboard. So if you want to get any information, just type WMIC baseboard get, then you select anything, whether powered on, product, serial number if you want. So the command is WMIC baseboard get, then you select anything from there. So you go to RAM, WMIC memory chip, WMIC memory chip, hit enter. There you go, have it. So you can say maybe WMIC memory chip get caption. Here we go, WMIC memory chip get creation class name, sorry, WMIC memory chip get memory type, WMIC memory chip get name. This is the command. So this other one, just know about the CPU, so type WMIC CPU, hit enter. There you go. You wanna know about availability, about caption, or even clock speed. Let's expand this. Expand this. Now modify these for the easy visibility, so you get layout with it, expand it. Okay, there you go. Yes, so unique upgrade method, WMIC get version, sorry, WMIC CPU get version. Then this command, system info, then you hit enter. Oh, this is all the information you need here. You start from the top, have the host name, have the operating system. If you want to know if it's 37-bit, sorry, 36-bit or 64-bit. Just come to OS type here. So times 36 stands for 32 bits. Times 64, that's a 64-bit operating system. So original install date, still get it here. That's the original install date. Then you're gonna find about the memory size, the RAM, and everything. Total memory size, get down here. That point. So that's it. If you know most of the things here, just continue scrolling down. Find the network cards down here. Network cards. Okay, highlight it. To NIC installed. To the network card, connection name, the driver, and everything. If you know about the networks, if you have the drivers for the wireless, so you type net net sh WLAN, net sh WLAN, shared drivers, there you go. Hit enter. That's all you need to know with the drivers. Driver Realtek, let me highlight it. Now this is the driver. Date, you have date, install, you have date and version. Have date, have version, over. So have radio type passwords, have type native Wi-Fi driver. You can see it here. It's the native Wi-Fi drivers. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. So just scroll down. Sorry, to this point. There. You can also get to know about the hard disk. So here, you know about the hard disk, about anything to do with the machine, maybe the monitor, everything that you wanna know. If you know about the hard disk and partitions, just say type diskport, hit enter, then list the disk. List disk. So in my case, I have only one hard disk, which is disk 0. This disk 1 is a flash drive of 8 GB. So if you wanna know if the hard disk is partitioned without going back to the Explorer, just type list disk. List disk. Sorry. Select disk 1. So you have to select the disk 0. Select disk 0. Select disk 0. There you go. Then list partition. These are the partition, hard disk, as you can see them there. You can go back to the Explorer to access Windows computer. Then you have one, you have four of them, local disk C, D, E, and G. So those the partitions that I have in. Then you know exit the diskport, type exit, hit enter. Then what else should we know? Type dxdiag, hit enter. There you go. You get the current date. Have the operating system. And you can know about the memory. So you can display sound input. You can save information. Exit. Or say WMIC. Let's go to the CPU, WMIC CPU, hit enter. You can say WMIC CPU get capture, get caption. There you go. Family 6, model 23. So you can know a lot of things about your computer using the command prompt. So just type exit, hit enter. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more views, and if you have questions, just post it, then you get a quick response.